Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Michelle, and in today's video we'll be sharing with you our family room total makeover. We're going to show you how we completely transformed this dark northern facing room and made it into a bright and cheery, cozy family room that we really enjoy spending time in. It looks so different than how it used to, even though we were able to reuse some of the items that we love, but we also added some new things without breaking the bank. A lot went into this room before we could even start to decorate. And if you want to see the progression of that, I will link it in the description box below. But for this Decorate With Me video, I'll be adding a few points, along the way, but for the most part, I'm just going to let you enjoy the process. All right, let's get started. We wanted the style to be more minimal and Scandinavian, so we wanted to add more neutral, natural materials and colors. It needed to be comfortable for our family, but also easy to maintain for our Airbnb guests. We wanted to add live, easy-to-grow plants to help bring the outside in. Having real plants whenever possible helps with air quality and makes the place feel more homey. To bring some uniqueness to the room, we kept our vintage cameras in a simple display to really highlight them, and then we added some eucalyptus that we bought at Trader Joe's for $3.99. Because we like to have texture along with function, we added a bowl of these little fire starters to use in the fireplace.
I like the way you nestle into my mind. Your smiling eyes, they draw me in so tight. So here we are with all this warmth in our hearts, living love on our side of the sun. You let the breeze into my sun-kissed soul, leaving room to only usher out the cold. So here we are with all this warmth in our hearts, living love on our side of the sun.
Our goal was to keep the mantle pretty simple and uncluttered, and by adding these pictures that we bought from Etsy, we were able to support some artists and change the look of our whole room. Layering the art helps to give it some depth, and by adding a vintage book under one of the candlesticks, it also gave it some interest along with height.
Living love on our side of the sun. I'm so in love with you, loving on my cloud. I hope we float up here and never come down. So here we are with all this warmth in our hearts, living love on our side of the sun.
chose not to put anything on top of this round end table because we use the blankets that we store in there pretty often, and we didn't want to keep taking something on and off just to get at the blankets. We want our family room to be efficient as well as pretty. We may add a pillow to one of the couches down the road because we actually do use them when we're watching a movie. But for now, we're really happy with the way that everything looks. And now to fully appreciate the extreme change in our family room makeover, I'll show you some before and after footage.
Taking it easy, just like a Sunday afternoon. You're driving me crazy, like you always seem to do. So I call you lazy, and you snooze the day away.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Bye-bye.